This is the Inland Taipan, the most venomous snake on Earth. One bite carries enough venom to kill over 100 adult humans. That's up to 50 times more toxic than a cobra. Insane, right? But here's the wild part. It's incredibly shy. It lives in remote, dry regions of Australia, far from human activity, and it almost never bites unless it's cornered. Also known as the fierce snake, it's lightning fast, extremely accurate, and prefers to stay hidden. So yes, it's deadly, but not dangerous. Unless you go looking for trouble. Make sure to tap subscribe for more animal facts.